Hello everyone, welcome to Creatrix YouTube channel my dear friends. I am back again with another important notification for all of you. That is HPCL has released 100 vacancies for the recruitment of graduate apprentice training. ठीक है, तो इस नोटिफिकेशन के बारे में हम लोग बात करेंगे. So HPCL is a Maharatna Central Public Sector Enterprise under the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. Now it has told about HPCL, they have a refinery at Mumbai, Visakhapatnam with 7.5 metric ton per annum. Okay. Now let's go to the vacancies. So commencement of online application is from 7th of Jan and the last date is 14th of January, which is a Saturday. Okay. So the applications will close on Saturday and they are recruiting in mechanical, electrical, electronics, chemical, civil, IN, electrical, petrochemical, safety, CS, IT, EC, oil, food, industrial and petroleum. The minimum age is 18 years, maximum is 25 years on 7th of Jan 2023. Age relaxation is 5 years for SC, ST and 3 years for OBC. And you must have a engineering in mechanical, triple E, chemical, civil, instrumentation, EE, petrochemical, safety, CS, IT, EC, oil, food, industrial and petroleum. And you will have a monthly stipend of rupees 25,000. You must have a 60% aggregate marks in all the semester or year and 50% for SC, ST, PWD. Now, you have to apply for the internship through this portal. This is the link mhrdnats.gov.in before 14th of Jan. Okay. After 14th of Jan, your selection will not be considered. Now, you must have completed your graduation after 1st of April 2020. If you have completed your graduation before 1st of April 2020, you will not be considered. Okay. Now, so in case your college provides you CGPA or you can say pointer, then they need to give a certificate for conversion of pointer to percentage so that your selection can be considered. So you need to have a certificate from your college and your college should be recognized by the UGC or AICTE. Age limit, as I told already, 18 to 25. Now, if you have a work experience of 1 or more year, you will not be considered. And you have to apply between 7th of Jan to 14th of Jan. Now, the candidate that fulfill the eligibility criteria, they will be called for interview, which will be held in this month only, that is January 2023. And merit list will be based on the academic results of your engineering degree and the score in your interview. That is, they are not conducting any written exam. Whatever marks you have gotten in your engineering, they will be considered as well as the interview. And final letter of offer, final offer letter will be issued in case you clear the medical test. So there will also be a medical test stage. Now you have to register on the NATS portal using your email ID and password, and you have to click on establishment request and then find establishment. Then you have a page which appears with 2 search criteria, that is search by preference or establishment name. That is where you want to get recruited or preference. So you have to do that. Now you have to select the establishment name as Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited and then click on search. Now, once you click on establishment name, the establishment name will appear Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. Then you have to click on apply. So in the search bar, you will write HPCL Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. It will show up. Then click on that. Then click on apply. Okay. And a message will appear successfully applied for training program. Okay. But make sure when you are registering on NATS portal, your details are correct. Caste, background, credential, everything is correct, because they will not allow you to revise the details that you have filled. Some important points. Basically, HPCL is not giving you any commitment that they will give you any permanent employment. Once you complete your apprentice training, and you will be accorded relaxation preference in the recruitment norms. Basically, you will be preferred in the recruitment, but they are not guaranteeing you the recruitment. Okay. And if your information is false, they will disqualify you. They will not consider your selection. Monthly stipend, as I told, is 25,000. Okay. And the OBC candidate need to have a certificate of their OBC from the region to which they belong. And you need not submit the hard copy of application. You just need to apply online. You do not need to get a printout. Okay. And information interview call letter will be sent over NATS portal. They will not send you any hard copy. So it will come on your mobile number or your email ID. So once you have applied, keep checking it so that you don't miss out on it. So if your email address is wrong or your contact number is wrong, HPCL is not responsible if you do not get the mail. So make sure that you fill the correct details. Okay. And if you are traveling for more than 30 kilometers, HPCL will reimburse the travel. Just a minute. Okay, travel. So basically, you have to fill the travel details, okay, for travel allowance, and you have to submit the proof of the travel by means of a ticket. And second class rail fare they are going to reimburse, but if they conduct virtual interviews, you will not be getting any TA. That is the travel allowance, and also they can restrict the number of candidates that they call for interview. Suppose they receive a large number of application, they can increase the eligibility criteria, let us say from 60% to 70% to limit the number of candidates. So if you have a really good score in your BTech, then please apply for this internship, because this can look good on your resume and at the same time you will get a stipend. But this internship is for those who have already completed their graduation. Now, if you have any queries, you can mail to this ID or you can call on this number. Okay. Now, so beta, if you have a really good score in your BTech, definitely go for it, because it will enhance your profile and increase your chances of getting a great job later on. Other than this, the people who are preparing for GATE 24 and 25, they have a golden opportunity to save up to 30% by using the code AnkitESE. How? They will get extra 2 months on each and every subscription. So if you want to save 30%, join before 13th of Jan, because this offer will expire. And also beta, one more thing, there is going to be a all India mock test on 15th of January, which will be based on the GATE pattern, GATE like question curated by top educators. And here not only you get an all India rank and detailed analysis, but you also have a chance to win scholarship. And we are starting the latest batch for GATE 24, Udaan batch, in which I am taking a orientation session on 9:30 AM on 18th of January. And we are starting with Signals by Bhima Shankar sir, Digital by Reddy sir at 8 PM and 5 PM. For 2025, we are starting a Bunyad batch in which I am taking a orientation session on 18th of January, 9:30 AM. And here we are just starting with signal system, not digital, one subject at a time. Okay. So if you like these batches, definitely go for it, because these batches will not only prepare you for GATE, but ESE, civil services, IRMS, everything you will get here. So join immediately using the code AnkitESE and save up to 30% on your subscription. So if you like this video, if you like the position that you are getting, definitely press the like button and share as much as possible, because the applications will be closing on 14th of January, which is very, very near to us. And I hope most of you get through it. Let's crack it.